Happy New Year's here from Garrett's Guitar Lessons, and today we're going through Auld Lang Syne, the New Year's classic. The backing track that you heard at the beginning is available as a free download on my website, garrettsguitarlessons.com. Now, we're going to be going through it in the key of C, and in two positions, which are going to be my G position with my C, my pinky would be on the 8th fret, 6th string, and the C position, which would be on the 5th, my root note is going to be on the 5th string, 15th fret. Okay, so first I'm going to be going with the first little bit, which is... Alright, now what we're going to be doing here is starting out on my 5th fret, 4th string, going up to the 5th fret on the 3rd string. Now I'm going to slightly move out of my scale position down to the 4th fret on the 3rd string, back up to the 5th fret, all on the 3rd string. I'm going to be bending up from the 7th fret up to the 9th fret on the 3rd string. Now I'm going to be going down to the 7th fret again, and the big thing about that is making sure that we're reaching that note on the 3rd string. So we want to hear that E note and not that D note or not an E flat. Nope, got to hit all the way up to that E note. And then we're going back to the 7th fret, 6th fret, 7th fret, bend up again, back down, 5th fret. All that happens all on the 3rd string. Okay, so after that, moving up to the 2nd string, 5th fret, and then we're bending up on the 8th fret. Again, just like our last bend, we need to make sure that we reach that note on that 2nd string. And be doing that one more time. Back down to the 8th fret on the 2nd string, twice on the 5th fret. Then we go into the 5th fret on the 3rd string. Now when I hit the 7th fret, I have this little, almost like kind of trill thing. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going up to the 8th fret really quickly, back down to the 7th fret, 6th fret, and then up to that 7th fret again. We're bending up, down on the 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret on the 3rd string. I'm going to be hammering on my 5th to my 7th fret twice, that same trill thing again, back down to the 5th fret, up to that C note again. All together. Next, I'm starting on the 2nd string, bending up on my 8th fret, back down to that 8th fret on the 2nd string, twice on that 5th fret, 5th fret on the 3rd string, 7th fret, 6th fret, and then 7th fret. Again, bend up on that 8th fret, back down, twice, one more time on that 2nd string, hit that 8th fret, and then bend up again, back down, 5th fret, twice on that 2nd string, 5th fret, then 7th fret on the 3rd string, same trill thing again. After that trill, we will be going up to the 5th fret on the 2nd string, 7th and 5th fret on the 3rd string, and then hammer on twice, just like we did before, on the 4th string, up to that 7th fret, 5th fret to the 7th fret, back to the 5th fret, and then hit that C note or the 5th fret, 3rd string again. All together. Now we're on the last section, which is going to be taking place in my C shape, all the way up here, 15th through 12th fret. I'll be starting off on my 1st string, 15th fret, bend all the way up, and then down, twice on the 12th fret, 1st string, 13th fret, 15th, 14th, 15th on the 2nd string. And we're going to be doing something very similar, 15th fret, bend up, down again, twice on the 12th fret, all on the 1st string, 15th, bend up one more time. Bend up again, down, twice on the 12th fret, 1st string, 13th, then 15th, 14th, then 15th, all on the 2nd string. Slide up from the 15th fret to the 17th fret, back down to the 15th fret, 13th on the 2nd string, hammer-on from my 12th fret to my 14th fret on the 3rd string, hit the 12th fret, and then the 13th fret on the 2nd string. I also have this lick at the very end. And this is going to be going on pulling off from my 15th fret to my 12th fret on the 1st string, 13th fret on the 2nd string, then me sliding down with my 1st finger from the 12th fret down to the 9th fret, using my 2nd finger to go 10th fret on the 4th and 5th string, 8th fret on the 5th string, 7th fret on the 5th string, and here we're just kind of doing a slight bend up to the 8th fret and then back down to the 7th fret. Now, when I say 8th fret, I mean bend up slightly and then down to that 7th fret note. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and be sure to grab that free backing track and tabs over at Garret'sGuitarLessons.com.